true, this thing to come down and disgrace and disgrace black people because they can't parade like this. All they do black people like this with them press out, a man with his body, children are pass and see all and then something. A disgrace. Them things need to come down. Them things are right in Jamaica. Why them are disgrace black people?
Keep talking.
Look at the shame when they put to black people. Shame. Look at the man and a woman and a two black people that. Why they do that? This is Emancipation Park. You can't put this. If you put Marcus Garvey and people that were dead.
Exactly.
You can't put that.
Who you said should go there, my sister?
Marcus Garvey.
Right on.
Marcus Garvey.
Marcus Garvey.
Marcus Garvey.
Marcus Garvey.
Marcus Garvey should have done so. Then can't disgrace yourself. Look on this. Look on the disgrace of black people. You can't do that. They should have put Marcus Garvey right here, sir. A disgrace.
Thank you very much.
They can't power disgrace. They can't power disgrace. Look on where they put up. One woman with him breast out. Neither have on panty. Neither have on brassiere. Man have on a underpants. And it not matter. Two disgrace. Look how them man look up. It's a shame to black people. This is a shame to black people. This is a shame to black people.